Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Mango chicken. Here are all our ingredients for this dish. I've got some fresh herbs from the garden, including culantro, thyme, celery, parsley. You can use whatever combination of fresh herbs you have. I couldn't find any nice Scotch bonnet, so I'm going to use a combination here: serrano, jalapeno, and red chili pepper. I've got 2 chicken thighs, and I've got beautiful ripe mangoes. I have some poultry seasoning, some gerra, which is cumin, Worcestershire sauce, some Anchar masala, and some fresh ground garlic. And I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for you guys. I really like this poultry seasoning. It's called Bird Rub, very catchy name. And I really like it. It doesn't have any MSG in it, which that's something that I look for. And it's got sage, thyme, rosemary, light brown sugar, salt, paprika, ground mustard, basil, and black pepper. So it has a really nice flavor, nice blend of spices. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm using Anchar masala for this recipe, but if you don't have it, a really good substitute is garam masala. Now our chicken. I have 2 skinless, boneless chicken thighs that I've cut into chunks, into bite-sized pieces. And I rinse them, actually soak them in the juice of half a lemon for about 10 minutes and then rinse them under cold running water. So now I'm going to season them. For the seasoning for my chicken, I added half a teaspoon of the Bird Rub and half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of Anchar masala, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of fresh ground garlic, and I think that's it. I'm gonna mix all of this together, get it nice and blended. Seasonings are all mixed into the chicken chunks, and I just tasted it and I think it needs a touch more salt, so I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of kosher salt to the chicken. The next thing to do is to cut our beautiful mango into chunks. I find it easiest just to cut what we call the face of the mango off. Then you have these 2 lovely pieces, and then cut these into chunks. What I've done here is just cut the face of the mango into vertical and horizontal strips or chunks, and that way I can easily peel it off the skin like that. It comes off really easily. To the mango, I've also added a teaspoon of garlic and also a teaspoon of the poultry seasoning. Now I'm just going to mix everything together, and after I've done that, I'm going to give it a taste because I want to make sure that it has a right level of salt and all the flavors are nicely blended, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to add this to the cooked chicken just at the last minute. Wow, that looks beautiful. Wow, I just tasted this and it is like a kicked up mango chow. A delicious Trini treat. Anyway, this is going to be the perfect flavors for our mango chicken. First, we start by melting our butter in extra virgin olive oil on high heat. As soon as it's nice and hot, lower it to like a medium-high heat and then add the chicken to the pot. The chicken is going to cook very quickly, so you're going to have to watch it. Don't move too far from your stove. I'm going to give this about 5 minutes and then I'm going to check it to see how much it's done or how much it's cooked. And you know, it will cook quickly because it's in nice small bite-sized chunks. I can smell the aromas of the cumin mixed in with the Anchar masala. It is delightful. It's been 5 minutes now, and as you can see, the water or the liquid is reducing and drying down. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to the pot and then bring it back up to a boil, and then I'm going to cook it for about 2 to 3 more minutes. It's been 3 more minutes and I want this liquid to reduce just a little bit more. I'm going to give it a few more seconds. I did have my heat on high, so I've reduced it to a medium-low. I've got a nice consistency in my little bit of sauce there. Now I'm just going to stir in this lovely mango. And as soon as this is stirred in, I am going to remove it from the heat. That looks gorgeous. So I just wanted to mention I have some coconut rice to go with my mango chicken, and if you look at the Korean glazed wild sockeye salmon video, you'll see that I made some jasmine rice there, and to make it into coconut rice, just substitute half of the water with some coconut milk, and there you'll have your coconut rice. I can't wait to give this a try. My piece of chicken, and you know what? I need a piece of mango to go with that. I love this, the Indian spices, with the heat of the Indian spices and the peppers, and then the sweetness of the mango. It's just a perfect blend. It's a winner, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen. And follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.